His Holiness is a symbol of peace and always will be. He represents nonviolence in a violent world. The award that we have presented him, the Gold Mercury Award 2025, it's an award that symbolizes his life work for compassion, for defending the environment, for promoting the importance of the Tibetan plateau as the third pole of the world that we need to keep intact for the protection of humanity. And His Holiness expresses love with every part of his being. He represents a symbol that today we need because everybody is very aggressive, and he represents somebody who doesn't need to use aggression to get things done and to communicate about a future of our planet that needs to be in harmony. So today has been one of the proudest moments for Gold Mercury International in presenting the award to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Well, we are in a critical point in humanity where we need to decide who we want to be in our planet. And I'm sorry, I get emotional. But His Holiness, his message is practical. It's a very practical message because you can speak a lot and not be practical, but he's very practical in communicating the importance to speak with passion, with love, fraternity. And he communicated that. It's a very, very proud moment. Well, our job is to promote peace and cooperation. And Tibetan Buddhism is a great platform to express practicality of communication, practicality of action. And today we're sending a message to the world leaders about how it's much better to speak compassion than to speak violence. And within all this, the concept of happiness is very important. We all search for happiness. Very few people find it, but Tibetan Buddhism is a pathway to find that happiness. My feeling is what's missing today in the world. It's connectivity. You're connected to His Holiness in a very special way. There was not one person in that moment that was not crying. It's because of the symbology of a person who has expressed the importance of warm-heartedness. So warm-heartedness is at the core of his message. He expresses that it doesn't matter whether you are religious or not, you have to be warm-hearted. And that's very important for people that are not religious. So we need to understand that to be able to communicate the message of His Holiness.
The significance of the award is that it is given for leadership in the world, for good governance, for peace, compassion, and preservation of the environment. So for 2025, the award has been given to His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and I think it is the most important statement made in the world today, because His Holiness is the only person who symbolizes all these things in one person. And not only is he the leader of the Tibetans, he is the leader of the whole world, the whole humanity. He has been working for peace, compassion, and love all his life. Well, His Holiness in a statement now said that we actually emerged from our mothers, and our mother tolerates everything in us, good and bad. Similarly, we have to have a compassionate attitude towards all others in the world. There is no enemy in the world. That is how you will love all other human beings, and that is how we will get peace.